Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I am here with a Bengali bridal look, and for that I have created this beautiful rose gold half cut crease eye look and paired it with a beautiful magenta pink lipstick. I think this look is perfect for any pink or magenta Banarasi sari, or if you want to wear this look in your reception, then it's also going to look just perfect. Before starting, if you are new here, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos almost every alternative day. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. For that, go to your YouTube app, press that red subscribe button, also put the bell icon next to it so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video, and it is absolutely free. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm taking this NYX Tame Frame eyebrow pomade in the shade black, and I'm just drawing the borders of my brows first. Then I'll be filling them up using smaller strokes. Now, recently I shared with you an updated bridal makeup kit video, so I am trying to use the products that I recommended in that video. If you haven't watched that video yet, please go ahead and watch it. I will link it down in the description bar below, so please do check it out. Now with a spoolie, I'm just combing my brows so that the product is well saturated. Now I'm taking this Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C7, and I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. I'll be applying the same concealer on my eyelids as well to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. Now I ran out of this concealer completely, so I will not be using the concealer for my face. Rather, I will use something else. I'm just blending out the concealer using a damp beauty sponge. This one is from Real Techniques. I'm just setting the concealer with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. For my eyes, first I'm taking this shade called 21 from my Makeup Revolution Soph Extra Spice palette, and I'm just applying it as my transition color. This is a beautiful pink shade, and I'm slowly building up the pigmentation because I do not want any kind of patchiness. Now taking my Maybelline gel eyeliner, I am just applying it on my outer V area. You can use any gel eyeliner or kajal pencil that you have in your collection. Now I'm taking this dark purplish blackish kind of shade from my Wet n Wild Bed of Roses palette, and I'm just smudging out the border of that gel eyeliner, and I'm trying to make it look seamless. This step may take a little bit of blending, but please be patient and keep blending it. It will look perfect. And the eyeshadow quad is so good. I think it's available on Nyka, so if you can find it on Nyka, just grab it. This eyeshadow palette is really good. So I'm also applying the same color on my crease as well, because I want to cut my crease, and for that my crease has to be really dark and defined. Now I'm just cutting my crease using the same concealer, and I'm going to make a half cut crease look here. I have hooded eyes, that's why I'm placing the concealer a little bit higher. If you do not have hooded eyes, then you can place the concealer directly onto your crease. You can see my crease is literally hiding on my eyelids. Now I'm just reapplying the concealer. Now with my finger, I'm just diffusing the borders so that blending becomes easier later on. Now I'm taking this beautiful rose gold, shimmery rose gold color from the palette, and I'm just applying it all over on my eyelid. This is such a stunning color. Now I'm taking this dark kind of Canberry shade from the palette, and I'm just applying it on the border just to create a nice gradient effect. I'm taking this beautiful burgundy shade from the palette, and I'm just applying it between the black or eyeliner and the shimmer shadow. Now I'm taking this NYX Glitter Primer and I'm just applying it on top of the rose gold eyeshadow that I just applied. And for my glitter, I am using this NYX Body Glitter in the shade Rose. And this is such a stunning glitter, and glitter can make a whole lot of difference, you can totally see. I'm just drawing a beautiful wing using my Wet n Wild eyeliner in the shade Black. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base, then I'll return to my eye makeup again. For that, first I'm just applying this Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is also a priming spray all over on my face, and when it is absorbed, I'm taking my NYX Angel Veil primer and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. This primer is so good for bridal makeup. It makes your makeup long lasting, it blurs out all your imperfections, it also fills in all your pores. Now for color correcting, I'm using this L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange, it's not orange, peach color corrector, and I'm just applying it around my mouth, underneath my eyes. It will help to neutralize all those darkness, and I'm just blending it out using the same damp beauty sponge. For my foundation, I'm going with this NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade F12. I was using the shade F10 previously, but it was a bit lighter than my skin tone, so I switched to the shade F12. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Natural, and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, on the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin, around my mouth, and just under where I'm going to place my contour next. This is again such a great concealer, it's perfect for bridal makeup, and I'm just blending it out using the same damp beauty sponge. So yeah, talking about the concealer, it gives you a very full coverage, it looks flawless on the skin, it is very long lasting. But one more thing, you have to buy authentic product, and by authentic I mean really authentic. So if you can find an authentic product, then it is really good. And I'm just cream contouring using the same L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, I believe, and I'm doing one section at a time because these concealers tend to settle down pretty quickly and then it really becomes hard to blend. And I'm just contouring like the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, jawline, as well as my nose. And whenever you are contouring your hollows of your cheeks and your forehead, try to blend it out in an upward direction, do not bring it down. Otherwise, your face may look a bit droopy. Now I'm just blending out my under eye concealer again to get rid of any creases that have already taken place and you do not want to set your creases, right? Now I'm just setting my under eyes with the same Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 15, and I'm also setting my smile lines using the same way and using the same sponge. Now I'm taking this Flower Beauty Light Illusion Universal Finishing Powder and I'm just setting my entire face and neck with it. Now I'm going to finish my eye makeup. For that, I am first tight lining my eyes using my Jordana Easy Liner in the shade Jet Black. You can use any gel eyeliner or any kajal pencil that you have in your collection. Now I'm taking this dark purpley black shade from the palette and I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line. Now I'm taking this beautiful burgundy shade from the palette and I'm just smudging out the border of that previous shade to make it look put together. I'm taking this particular shade from the palette, this beautiful shimmery like Canberry shade, and I'm just applying it on the border of the previous eyeshadow. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Colourpop Super Shock highlighter. I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler, and I'm just applying a coat of mascara. This is my L'Oreal Superstar mascara. I'm going to use falsies off camera, and for that I'll be using my Kiss lashes in the style Gala. And here is the final eye look. I truly love the way how it turned out, especially that cut crease. It was just perfect, and this eye look is so good. If you recreate this look, then please tag me on Instagram. Now I'm going to finish my face. For that I'm taking this Balm Cosmetics Bahama Mama bronzer, and I'm just contouring the perimeters of my face. Basically I'm powder contouring here, and I like to use a powder contour on top of a cream contour. It just makes my contour look even prominent, and it makes it long lasting. Oh my god. Now I'm taking my Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade 04 Glow, and I'm just bronzing up my face to bring back some warmth to my face. Now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution blush in this shade Rose Kiss, and I'm just applying it on my cheeks. And this is such a stunning blush. I already did a review of this blush. These are very long lasting, and the color is beautiful, and it's perfect for bridal makeup. Now I'm taking the same Colourpop Super Shock highlighter in the shade Wisp, and I'm just applying it on the high points of my face using my finger. This is again such a stunning color, very long lasting. The formula is on point. The formula is, it's like wet kind of texture, and when you apply it, it's basically a cream texture, cream product, and when you apply it, it lasts all day long, and it literally looks like your own skin. I'm just setting my entire makeup with my e.l.f. makeup setting spray, and for my lips I'm going with this Milani Amor Matte lipstick in the shade Gorgeous, and this is such a gorgeous shade. And here is the final look. I truly loved the way how it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. And please share this video with your friends and family. It will mean a lot to me. So see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.